Hello everyone, welcome to today's video here at the milling house. We are surely progressing well. As you can see, we have been able to bring power at the site. Yes, we've been able to bring power to the site. It is a 3-phase, so we are now going to be able to connect it to the house. Inside, I've started the plastering, most especially in the room where we are going to put the milling machines. They are also working on the milling machines, and we are also going to put the windows and doors. So let me just move around, and you see the major thing is that we want to be able to produce our own food. We want to be able to make some formula food that has all the nutrients for people who are in special needs. I realize that we can't afford buying all the time, and you know, something that you just buy, you can't be sure of what is in there. So we want something that we are sure. We want to know the quality, we want to know what we are giving our people. So that's why we have this milling house here, and apart from that, we hope that it will really help the people who are around also who need to process their own food. So this is very important for us as the community and the country at large. So let me move around, and you see where work has reached. Kama kesi ni hutegera vivyo ulisindu sisho kama ni kako buinga ni sitolongo vivyo ulisindu sisho yo si vivyo bao si shange vivyo ulisindu si show yo si vivyo bao si shange vivyo saya kwefe huko uruya nisiri fashosi vivyo ulisindu si show banga vivyo beti ni vyewiswa vyosi vivyo. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching, and thank you for always supporting the work that I do in different places. We are really progressing well, but we have not yet hit the goal. Kindly go check out on our crowdfunding and be part of this amazing project. I love you all. See you in the next video.